Hello, welcome back. Another tutorial. So I'm going to start by cleaning up the face. I cleaned the face with a baby wipe with a micellar water. Then I went in with this face wipe, Dr. Rachel face cream. Sorry, that is the vitamin C face cream. So I use it for moisturization, to moisturize the face. So when you don't have a moisturizer, you can use that face cream as a moisturizer. So I just use my hand to further blend in the product. So I went in with this primer, classic primer, just for the areas that she sweats a lot, as her T-zones. So after that, I mixed those two foundations. I have a foundation just to get her exact shade. So sorry about that. So I just blending the product into the skin. I take my time to blend. Take your time to blend your foundation. As a beginner, you don't have to be in a hurry to blend your product. Just take your time to blend your product. I keep saying this all the time. So you see how this foundation is a exact shade. So I took my time to blend in the product. So after that, I went to my Ferarucci palette just to get the right shade of concealer for highlighting. So that's what I'm using for under her eyes, her forehead, her chin. So that's what I'm doing now. So after applying, I went in to blend the product with my beauty sponge. So this is the regular beauty sponge I use. If you get any fluffy beauty sponge that you can use, just use it to blend in the product. So I make sure to blend so that there are no crease at all. So I take my time to blend. Don't mind my client. She was actually gisting and gisting. So she was just enjoying the conversation. So she just felt at home as I was just climbing her up. She was so happy. So let's continue. So take your time to blend in one product after the other. Do not be in a hurry. You see that since I already applied the foundation, I'm taking my time to blend. Like I'm just being light-handed. I'm not using force so that I do not put the foundation from the face. Okay, so I just zoom in so you can see that I'm contouring the nose. So I use a darker shade of foundation to contour her nose. You can just equally use a regular contour palette that you have just to contour her nose, just to give that nose that in just to, I don't know what to say, but you know the nose is just going to pop. You get, just going to give it that effect. So I just contour the forehead, her cheekbone. She's a light skin person. I don't do too much on a light skin person. I don't do too much of contour because gone are those days whereby you do a lot of contour on the face. Just want to just see the effect of that contour on the face. So you don't have to do too much, okay? So I went in with my powder just to set the area that I highlighted. I used my V Beauty powder just to set the areas I highlighted. So after that, I did the same for the forehead, under the eye, just areas are highlighted. That's areas I'm going to be doing this for. You can use your setting powder to do it, but I just decided to use my powder to do this first before going in with the setting powder. Okay, since I'm going to be using the Airspun setting powder for this, so I use my powder brush. These brushes are from Viccabel brush set. Viccabel, this is just like a regular brush set, and when I got it for 30,000. So it was this year 2024. So I don't know how much it is sold now. I think it should be about from 30 something thousand. That's about $40 or so, and it's a very, very fluffy brush, and it serves the purpose for what I got it for. Okay, so I went in with my Airspun setting powder to set the areas I highlighted. Then I went ahead to bake just to set the areas. So when I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow, so that any fallout from the eyeshadow is just going to fall under the eyes. Okay, I don't know if this looks is bold enough, but if it's not bold enough, you can tell me on the comment section so that I will make sure to zoom in the fakes anytime I'm working on my clients. So I'm waiting for you guys. You can correct me if there are any correction, if there are any mistake you see, you can just tell me. We're all learning. We learn every day. We come to this institute space to learn, so we can learn from each other. Nobody knows it all. We can learn one or two from each other. So I went in with that my Viage eyeshadow base. That's what I use as my eyeshadow base. I set the eyeshadow base, then I went in with my V Beauty powder for my transition. You know, that's what I use for my transition. So you can just get a regular contour palette that you can use for your transitions, you can use for your contour, but this powder palette does the works for me, so I only use it. So I just went ahead to contour the nose as well, contour the nose, then transition. Then I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow, and I've fallen in love with this my Romanky eyeshadow palette. Like, it's been long I used it, but of recent I've just fallen in love with all of the colors there, and I've been making use of it of recent, and it's been serving me what it ought to serve me, and I'm so much in love with this Romanky eyeshadow. So you can just get any regular, I don't know if it's still sold in the market, don't know, but it's a very good eyeshadow. You see, when I apply it, it doesn't just fall up. But for this video, I'm going to be using this, my blush palette, classic blush palette. It's just a regular drugstore blush palette. So I went in with that nude shade. So that's what I'm applying. I'm not doing a 2-color eyeshadow in this look. I'm just creating just 1 color because my client is going to be putting on a uniform. She's going to be putting on her nursing uniform, so I wouldn't want to be doing a sharp look on a uniform, because we're taught that we don't do any sharp color on a uniform because you wouldn't want your makeup to put, just want very mild makeup, so you wouldn't want to be doing too much. So see how I'm blending the eyeshadow. I'm making sure there are no crease. Blend your eyeshadow, just be light-handed, paste, because this is a matte eyeshadow. That's an eyeshadow that does not have shimmer. It's called a matte eyeshadow. So you see how I'm placing it on the eyes. I'm pasting, I'm not dragging. So when you drag, it tends to, like, the product will start breaking, or the eyes will start breaking. But when you paste, the product is just going to stay there because that is a matte eyeshadow. Okay, so you see how I'm taking my time to blend and paste this eyeshadow, and it's already popping, giving everything it should give. So take your time to blend your eyeshadow. Any process you are in this makeup, take your time to do all of the process. Do not be in a hurry, just take your time to do everything. Okay, just tell your client to relax, close your eyes, just be steady, and you get it right. And practice makes perfect. Okay, do not be in a hurry, do not rush yourself, just take it one step at a time. I keep saying that in all of my videos. So I went in with that black. I just mixed the black and the brown just to get that effect at the end, at the outer corner of the eyes, so as to make the eyeshadow to pop. Okay, so after that, you know the next step, you know what I'm going to be doing next. If you're conversant with my video, which I want you to be, you should know that after I'm done with my eyeshadow application, I go ahead to what? I go ahead to line the eyes. Like I'm already a teacher. Like, I'm already sounding like an English teacher at this moment, or is he a fine art teacher? I don't know, but I'm already sounding like a teacher like this. So I just went ahead to just further contour the nose, just to get the nose all snatched up. So I went to use my carrot eyeliner. That's my regular carrot eyeliner that I use, my gel liner. So I'm going to leave all product on the description bar, since you guys said I don't normally leave the product, but of recent I've been leaving the product on the description bar, and I'm sure that you guys have been getting all the product that I use. So I just went ahead to line the eyes. You know I'm not a fan of winging, like keep saying. I just do a minimal lining, and that is what has been in bond. You don't see people do too much of winging, but people still do it a lot. But for my looks, for the kind of makeup that I do, I don't do too much of winging. I don't know if because I don't know, like I feel that I'm not too perfect in it, although, but that is not the reason why I don't do it. I just feel like I don't see any reason, since I'm not creating a dramatic look, I don't see any reason why I should wing the eyeshadow. Okay, I just do it, just a minimal lining, just to give that the eyeshadow that effect. Okay, so I went in to line the under eyes, as well. Just take your time. If your client has a teary eye, like he's already going to tear, just take it one step at a time. Do not be in a hurry, so that the tears do not go and drop on your makeup. That's another work again you start correcting. So this is just like a glitter liner. This is a shimmery glitter liner. I got this when I was still training, when I was under training. So I don't know the particular brand, but you can just get this regular shimmery glitter from anywhere, or you can use your glitter to do this as well. All you have to do is just apply your glitter glue, then you apply the glitters. It just comes out as that line. So at this moment, you can choose to fix your eyelashes at this moment, but no, I don't fix my lashes now, but I just wait for a while before I go ahead to fix the lashes, so that in case the client has a teary eyes, the tears won't start popping out from my eyes. Okay, So I went in to do her eyebrows using my Davis pencil in number 18. My client is quite fair, so I'm using the number 18 so it doesn't get too dark. Okay, so you see that her eyebrows, I was not the one that shaved it, was already shaved, and it was looking as if one was higher than the other. So I had to try to make both of them equal. So I'm just shading, just creating that natural hair at the front of the brows. I'm not doing too much. You don't have to do too much. Don't do too much. Just take it one step at a time. You see how if you just follow this process that I followed, like my process, you're going to get your makeup very easily. You're going to master your makeup as a beginner very easily. So you just pray to come across my channel so that you're going to just get your makeup once, like you won't even be stressing yourself too much. You just that it will seem like it is ABCD to you. It will just be easy for you. So I went ahead to conceal the brows. I concealed the brows off camera. Since I have a detailed brow tutorial on my channel, you can just go check it out. Okay, so I lined the leaves with my Karite gel liner, the brown shade, that's the brown color. I lined the leaves. I was just going to create a regular nude. Like I said, this look is a very natural look since she's going to be on a uniform, so I wouldn't want to do something that is very loud. And she also said that she didn't want a loud makeup because she's going to be on a uniform. Okay, so I just took my time to line the eyes and line the lips. So I went in with that new shade and I started blending. I told her to smack her lips and she did that, and she wasn't getting it all that, like she wasn't getting it the way I want. So I just keep on blending, and I applied one nude after the other. So I also have so many detailed lip tutorial, and I indicated all the colors that I used. I showed all of them, like I didn't get to show them here, but I have detailed nude lipstick tutorials you can check out on my channel. I'll also try to drop the link of those videos on those links are going to be on my description bar because they're under a playlist, so you just go over there to watch it. Okay, so you see I'm taking my time to blend the lips. I don't want them to be a demarcation between that brown liner and the nude shade. Okay, so I'm using different shade of nude just to get what I want. Okay, just to get that natural looking lips that I want. So take your time to blend so you get what you're looking. So take your time to blend so that there are no line, no single line, no crease. So I felt that the nude was too much, so I just went in with a brown shade again just to further bring out the shiny looking, like the way the nudes, so the nude won't overshadow that brown. So I just want to see a little bit of the brown, so I went in with that orange color again just to bring out another effect because the lip was looking too calm to me. I just wanted it to be a little bit pronounced, like not too calm, just to go along with the eyeshadow that I did. Okay, so you see that I've gotten it all right. So I went into dust off the remaining setting powder on the face, dust off the remaining setting powder with my Beauty powder palettes, and take your time to just blend off all this product so that you do not leave a white cast on the face. Okay, I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. I know that I'm being clear enough. So just take your time, blend. Blending is the key to makeup application. If you don't blend very well, you're going to be seeing cast on your face, on the face. Okay, so I went in to contour the face, just do a little bit of contour. Then I went in with my blush. Further went into contour the nose, like just to get it all snatched. You get? I like my makeup to be snatched, like the nose. So I went in with that classic blush just to give it that effect. Then after that, I'm going to spray the face since I already faced the lashes. So after that, I also glossed the lip. Thank you so much, guys, for all of your support on my videos. Please please help me reach my 4,000 watch hour monetization. I have just few days left, so guys, please help me watch this video. Make sure you click on this video, make sure you watch this video to the very end so that the hours are going to count for me. Thank you for all of your support on my video. I do not take you guys for granted. I love you so much for all of your support. Please do not forget to comment on this video. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to tell your friend that there's somebody here or Chinese language, and I give you all the beautiful makeup look, all the tips. I do not hide anything. I show you everything that you need to know in makeup. Okay, So I went to just add a little more to the face, just a more. Then I went to my lip gloss. This lip gloss this is a regular lip gloss you can get just for that bring effect to the face, and it's looking so beautiful. Like this lip gloss is like just a regular lip gloss that you can use, and that's like lip glosses add beauty to the face, to the lips, and it makes the lips so shiny and beautiful. So if you've not been a fan of lip gloss, you can give it a try. It really helps the lips to be very, very, very beautiful. And I'm going to be spraying the face with my Kids Beauty setting spray. That's what I put in this spray bottle because the spray bottle has a problem. And this is the finished look. So beautiful. Like, I'm so much in love with this look. Do you love this look? Would you be trying out this method? Would be trying out this makeup? It's giving everything it should give. And my client was so happy. Thank you for watching. Bye.